Philippines.
But we are now in.
We are now in Sapa, Vietnam. Our third day stay.
Okay. Are you enjoying?
Yeah. Although my blood pressure is going up because of the fatigue and too much eating of chicken, big chicken.
Big chicken. Native chicken.
They call it in the Philippines kabir.
What do you call on the chicken?
Our brother
Duck.
that
Duck.
used to call the chicken as kabir chicken. Kabir.
Kabir. Nice. So we're going.
Hello, my dear friends. How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Escon, and I hope you're all good and healthy. In this video, I'm going to take you to Fansipan in Vietnam. It was a really nice and exciting experience in this place because you can see interesting and spectacular scenic views when you are on top of the mountain. So stay with us and keep watching until the end. Let me tell you something about Fansipan. It is the highest peak in Vietnam, and it used to take travelers 2 days of hard trekking to reach the summit. But nowadays, you can reach the roof of Indochina in just 15 minutes by traveling through train and cable cars. So from there, you can see the dropping views of swirling clouds and slopes from the top of Fansipan, and it makes this place really wonderful, one of the best gifts of nature. Another point about Fansipan is that its height was 3,143 meters in 1909, and currently it stands at 3,147.3 meters. It is the highest mountain on the Indo-Chinese peninsula. The information is taken from wikipedia.com.
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Thanks for watching, my dear friends. Have a wonderful day.